Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Cancers. If you want more clarity in your situation, Cancers, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have Moon in reverse, Nine of Pentacles, and Five of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, Cancers, in your situation, guys, maybe for some of you, you are making a lot of efforts, lot of stress, maybe for your work. You are working hard. You are someone who is really dedicated, devoted to your work, and you are striving hard, making a lot of efforts. But though you see your situation as something giving you troubles, worries, you need to understand that you are in a very advantageous position and things will fall into place very soon, guys, for you, Cancers, because of your hard work, your efforts, and your talents and skills, and the way you work with dedication. Things are going to simply fall into place. So these troubles are just going to disappear in your situation very soon. So you need to understand that. And maybe today you feel really deceived, or you feel that you don't know the truth. There is something blocking your vision of understanding, maybe in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship. Some kind of emotional blocks you may have, something bothering you because you don't know the truth or what is really happening in your situation. But whatever it is, guys, you need to hold on, be silent, be patient. If you are that, if you can hold on, be silent for some time, then things are going to change for the better, guys, Cancers. And I see that in certain things you have that emotional contentment, joy, and happiness today. So patience is what is going to work for you, guys, work for the better today for your Cancers. So in work or in your relationship, if you can just wait, be patient, things are going to go in a very different way for you all, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Page of Cups in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, you feel that this person is really someone whom you cannot trust. You love each other, you have a great physical attraction, and you share a great intimacy, but still you don't know what is in their heart, and you feel that you cannot rely on them, or they feel that they cannot rely on you. So these energies can be vice versa. Maybe for some of you, because the reasons may be because you do not have that open heart communication with this person, and it is the time for that, guys. Maybe you should not hide whatever you truly feel. So maybe that is going to change the way things are in this love. If you are able to tell them the truth, whatever you feel, you must able to relate it to that other person, guys. So that way this relationship, the way things are, will change for you, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Six of Pentacles. So in your work situation, guys, you are helping people and people are helping you. So you have a good team, people whom you can work with, who have that same goals as you and aspirations as you. So things are going in a positive way in your work situation, guys, and that may be the reason we have this card here that shows emotional satisfaction and contentment in your situation, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for y'all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have the juniper tree. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, guys, maybe you are feeling extremely guilty or responsible for certain things. Maybe it has happened in your life or certain circumstances that has unfolded in someone close to you. So, and you feel really guilty because you feel that you are the one responsible for those circumstances or the way things went. But in truth, you need not feel sad and stressed because it is not your making and this is not your fault. And you need to understand that you are someone with a good heart. That is the reason you feel sadness for someone else, troubles or worries, guys. And you need to understand that you should not lose hope and keep doing the right things you are doing right now and being really compassionate. And you are someone really compassionate. That is what I see, guys. And this sadness or stress, whatever it is the making of someone, some kind of person. It may be a third party involved in your situation, in this relationship. So you are doing the right things, but you are taking the responsibilities for all the faults or mistakes that have happened. And this is the time for us to stop the blame game and shift our attention. So we need to be compassionate. We should not be impulsive. And when we are that way, we are going to get a second chance at our life, second chance in this relationship or in that particular circumstance, whatever has unfolded and whatever is stressing you today. And you need to understand that the truth in your situation will reveal itself because we cannot hide truth for a long time, guys, whether it is our mistake or someone else's mistake. We can never hide truth, never bury truth. So that is the energy with this card. And we should not act out of our anger or resentments. We should always be kind and compassionate and be patient. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. We have new life. So the appearance of this card in a reading just means that this is a very auspicious time for you in your relationship or any kind of partnerships you have taken up in your life. So it may mean even your business collaborations or a beautiful beginning in this relationship. So if you are already in a connection with someone you love, you are going to see positive transformation in this connection. You are going to experience more intimacy, harmony and vibrancy in this relationship, and you are going to feel a much more deeper connection with this person you love. And if you are single and if you are open to a new relationship, This is the time for a new beginning coming up in your life, guys. So you are going to find someone new, and that relationship is going to be so fulfilling, filled with harmony, balance, and sweetness of that togetherness, intimacy, and that blessed understanding you both have with each other. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, it is a new beginning you are seeing in your life today. Maybe in your relationship, or maybe in your work situation, whatever it is a very auspicious card, guys, and it denotes a new beginning and a new life. So that is the reading with this card, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If you like this reading, please like and comment, and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.